Wall Street. Do it right, build wealth, live life, economic empowerment, real tips, insight on the new Black Wall Street. It's on the new Black Wall Street. Here's your host.
All right, my beautiful people, man. Good morning to you. Top of the morning to you here on this Saturday that we're broadcasting live here on the new Black Wall Street as we present you guys the Black Money and Power Show. I'm your host, ERGJ, your certified global financial educator, CEO of ERGJ Enterprises, the Black Bazaar, and international best-selling author of the book, The Black Billionaires Club. The book that I wrote, guys, Study of Black Wealth. It's a study of the 12 richest Black people in the world today and how they built their wealth. And I just truly believe that if you want to be wealthy, that's a big if, by the way. But if you do, I recommend that you study wealthy people. All right, the Black Billionaires Club. Again, the website is going to be theblackbillionairesclub.com, theblackbillionairesclub.com. You can find the book available. We got, I think, 8 copies left, something like that. We found a few other copies available, so we upped that. So we've got about 8 copies left of the physical copy if you want to get that book. We do have the ebook available, the audio book available in French and English as well. And then when you go to the website, we do have a store. You can go to the store there. You can buy some other Black author books to help your children, to introduce your kids to investing, introduce them to insurance, introduce them to credit, give them some financial literacy, teach them early what we learn late. And also there's a place where there's a tab called Join the Club. That's where you can actually connect, decide to become a member of the elite. Of those that separate themselves, brothers and sisters who decided to build wealth, decided to build business, and decided first and foremost to build themselves. So if you're saying to yourself, man, I've been looking for a room like that, and you saying I'm going to invest in myself, well, that's going to be the place for you there at the Black Billionaires Club, at theblackbillionairesclub.com, theblackbillionairesclub.com. Well, you guys know what time it is. Roll call time. See who's joined us here this morning early. That's right. Early bird gets the worm, even on a Saturday. I don't know about y'all, but I was just super excited. I couldn't wait. I was like, oh my goodness, is it 5 o'clock yet? I mean, come on, can I go trade? Because here's the day, man. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to make some money. Wouldn't you agree? Isn't it a beautiful day? I mean, a fantastic day. I mean, weekends are made to get rich. Everybody put that comments below. Weekends are made to get rich. Go ahead, hit that like button, that share button, that follow button, that subscribe button, that heart button, whatever it is that you can just make the internet go crazy. Because we got Black folk, we got brothers and sisters who are serious about getting to the bag, and we're gonna see what we can do here today as we do our Coinbase crypto trading. Now, we're broadcasting across the World Wide Web into Facebook and also YouTube, understanding that worldwide simply means global. Because of our global reach and our global exposure, we've been able to connect with brothers and sisters all over the world. We do have some students that are from New Zealand. We got students that are from Nigeria. You got students that are from Germany, students that are from Canada. So I did not limit myself. That's another thing you might want to put in the comments. So don't limit yourself. I did not limit myself to my neighborhood. I didn't limit myself to my city. I didn't limit myself to my state. I did not limit myself to my country. I was looking for people who were looking for me. And the beautiful thing about crypto is that it is a global currency, right? It's a global currency. As we begin to learn more and more about that, we do have an intro to crypto class coming up on the next class is going to be on March 6th. The February 27th class is sold out. So if you'd like to get that class, you can, again, in the description above, you'll find all my in the description of this video, you'll find all the links. You'll find a link to the class if you want to sign up for the class. Find a link to our platform, Coinbase, if you need to get a Coinbase account. Right? Make sure you use the links. When you use the links, you do this thing called practice group economics. Go ahead and rep your city, guys. Rep your city, your state, your country. Represent your city, your state, or country. Let us know what city, what state, what country you're connected from as we're broadcasting across the World Wide Web from our virtual studio here in Decatur. That's right, Decatur, Georgia, where it's greater. And who knew a young buck from Decatur would be reaching people all over the world from his humble abode? And that's what's possible. All things are possible to him who believes. All things, not some things, not a few things. All things are possible to him who believes. And something else to say, but I remember that part. I remember that part. Okay, I'm a little rusty on a lot of my scripts. I got so many flowing through my head. Good morning to you, Miss Goodrich is in the house. Thanks so much for joining us here today on the Black Money and Power Show. Miss Armando is in the house. Miss Andrea Nicole has joined us. My main man, Curtis Payne, is in the house, man. Thanks so much for joining us, man. Glenda Tate Williams out of North Carolina, North Kakalaki. Memphis is representing here. The BBC is as well. Miss Teresa Harvey Gilliard has joined us here this morning. Grand rising to you. If you are a part of BBC, go and put a console hashtag BBC. That's right. Hashtag BBC. Michael Brown, are you at work right now, brother? Are you? Because you normally be every day. I'm hustling. Every day you be hustling, man. I don't know if you're off today or not, but thanks so much. I know you show up. You said I'm gonna show up. You know, I might be at work. I'm gonna put the little earplugs in. I'm gonna get this while I get that. I appreciate you, brother. Oklahoma style barbecue is in the house. Good rising, says Shay Childs in the house. My main man from Ghana has joined us here. Muwatar. Hopefully I said that right. Mawutar. Hopefully I'm saying that right. All right. Thanks so much for joining us here today on the Black Money and Power Show. Let's get into this thing, guys. Today is our special presentation. We came up with crypto trading millionaires. So in case you don't know, Jack Dorsey has connected with a brother named Lamar Wilson, who is a good friend of mine. And Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Square, where you got Cash App, the CEO of Twitter. They connected because Lamar created this big platform on Clubhouse for Black crypto enthusiasts. And it's the biggest crypto platform on the Clubhouse. So Jack Dorsey partnered with him, and he's they're looking to help Black folk, particularly understand the power in crypto, and for the few that do get it, right, to basically create Black millionaires through cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna help them out. I'm gonna give y'all a head start. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep teaching and keep teaching and keep teaching. And those that want to get it. Malik Brown. Oh, is that your name? I said Michael Brown. Oh, you tagging somebody. You probably tagging somebody. Okay, cool. All right, Decatur. Where's Decatur? That's why Alan Jones in the house. All in Jones. Which one is it? Alan? Probably Alan or All in. They both probably is about the same. So go ahead and put in the console for our new tagline there. Go ahead and put in the console hashtag CTM. Hashtag CTM. Crypto trading millionaires. Crypto trading millionaires. So what's the first thing we do, beautiful people? We get into this thing here. We're gonna do our Coinbase crypto trading. What's the first thing we're gonna do here? Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me change that. Let me change that there. Let me save that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Crypto trading millionaire. Now, first thing we want to do, guys, who is that on Clubhouse? Lamar Wilson. Mr. Peter in the house, man. My brother, he just connected. He just opened up his Coinbase account. I saw that $10 check come in. So when you use somebody's link, guys, they get $10. You get $10 after y'all invest your first $100. So he in the game. My brother from another mother is in the game. CTM, crypto trading millionaires. Crypto. See, sometimes you got to speak those things that be not as though they were, so you can walk into that thing. You got to speak those things that be not as if they were, so you can walk into those things. So that's what I'm gonna call you guys here today. Now we're gonna start with the review because I'm super. You know why I'm super excited? Because I finally got unstuck. Okay, y'all know for the past couple of days, your boy been stuck. Right, we're stuck like Chuck, but I still been making moves. But now I'm a little unstuck. I still got some stuff going on because of the other thing I did. But nonetheless, we're gonna learn today. So the market's up 6%, pretty much 5.5% over the past 24 hours. I come in and I trade at the same time every day, right? So now I'm starting to see some patterns. I'm starting to see some stuff go. I'm starting to see some stuff happen over time. Bitcoin's up to $55,000, right? 55,000. So now $1 trillion. That was the magic number. That was the number people shoot for. We get the $1 trillion of capital flowing through Bitcoin to the moon, baby. But not only just Bitcoin, the whole cryptocurrency space is now, if it wasn't already, it's now, you can call it mainstream. It's now capturing everybody's attention. Everybody, all the naysayers, all the people that didn't believe in the beginning, all the Jamie Dimons of the world from Chase Bank, all the people that now have switched their stance. Bill Gates switched his stance, right? They switched it up because you can't do nothing but believe because it's here. Okay, it is here. So Bitcoin, right? Most important coin, Bitcoin, that sets the market right now. Right now, Now, probably 20 years from now might be different, but right now, that's what sets the market. Ethereum, the second most important coin. So here's what I tell people. Again, put your own game. Acquire Bitcoin and acquire Ethereum. If you're a person that's not going to trade, which is fine. Everybody don't need to be a trader. But you can be an investor. You can be a person that accumulates wealth over time. Get you some Bitcoin when you can. Get you some Ethereum when you can. How much should I invest in? They keep asking me. As much as you can afford. Okay? If you got $25, make it $25. You got $50, put 25 in Bitcoin, 25 in Ethereum, something like that. You come up with something, right? Where you can commit. I want you to put it down. Hey, I commit to building wealth. How many guys can say that with confidence? I'm committed. I'm not just interested, because a lot of people just interested. I'm interested. No, I'm not interested. I'm committed. And because I'm committed, I take action. When I'm interested, I just watch. When I'm committed, I take action. Let me say that again for the people in the back. When I'm interested, I watch everybody else get rich. When I'm committed to getting rich, when I'm committed to building wealth, I take action. I participate. I engage. I'm in the game. You understand what I'm saying? So we got Ethereum. We got Bitcoin. We got Litecoin. Litecoin is like silver to Bitcoin gold. This is a lot of stuff I'm talking about right now. You're going to learn as we get into when we do our intro to crypto. Stuff you got to learn. You have to decide to learn. I'll teach it to you, but I can't teach everything for free. That's a class. If you are unfamiliar with what the stuff that I'm talking about now, you need to take that class. There's some things you need to learn. You got to learn how to transfer. You got to learn how to move that money around. You got to learn some stuff, and I can't teach it all in this public forum for the next hour because I got to do some trading. But nonetheless, we see what's going on in the market. We see it's up. Uniswap's up. Stellar Lumen's up. I keep going down the road. Everything's up. Everything's up. All right, everything's up. I mean, everything except, wait a second. Let's go. Everything's up. It seems like everything's up. Even the Dogecoin moved up 3%. Oh, y'all happy about that, right? Everything's up. All right, everything's up. Tron down about 0.61. That's another one that seems to be on the radar. Let me put down my watch list for a second, right? All right. Oh, graph. Okay, so now we got to take a look at some stuff here. All right, so let's do a little quick recap. Go back a little bit. Because I've been on this journey. I started before February, but I said February 1st was going to be my challenge to myself. I don't care about y'all. I wasn't in competition with y'all. I was challenging myself to greatness. Everybody putting down, so challenge myself. I challenged myself. Why? How did I challenge myself? By putting out a target or a goal. What am I going to grow this account to by the end of February? So I started when February 1st hit, I had $6,500. Before February came, which was like 2 days before, I think on the 29th or something like that, I was like, oh, okay, I got about $5,000 right now. Let me see if I can get this thing to $10,000 by the end of February, right? So I was thinking a month, double it in a month. That'd be good, right? That'd be good. But then February 1st came, right around here, and I had like $6,500. Now, this would be my investing account, which you're looking at now, or my hold account, which you're looking at now, and my trading account, which I'll show you in just a second. So I was at $6,500 total between the two, and they're both like a checking and a savings account. I just call them my trading and my hold and my trade account. That's how I'm gonna call them over on this side of the world. New terminology. So this is my hold account, right? And it's connected. It's in the same financial institution, Coinbase, and then I have a trading account. We'll see that in a second. So anyway, I was at $6,500. I said, well, okay, $10,000 probably isn't going to really be a challenge at this point. So let me go ahead and go to $13,000. Let me double the $6,500 to $13,000 by the end of the month. That would be a kind of a challenge, right? I mean, who's doubling their money in a month? Not many people are doing that. So then I said, you can come on over here. We get on over here to the 12th. That's the next big day. On the 12th, when I got here on the 12th, I was at $12,000. And that's when y'all, for those that have been following for a while, I said, y'all know what I'm going to do. Y'all know what I did. I went in there, I started selling some stuff. I started to secure the bag. Everybody putting down, so secure the bag. At this point, I was almost to goal, and I didn't want anything unfortunate to happen. Like the market turned, somebody put out some tweet from Elon Musk or something like that happened, and then now I started to go down with the ship. I didn't want that to happen. So before Elon Musk could open his mouth or anybody else do something stupid or crazy to affect my wealth, I went ahead and I secured the bag because I don't know what's going to happen in the future. And I was starting to get a little scared. So I secured the bag, about $4,000 out. That would actually have covered my initial investment into this thing, which was back in like January, something like that. $4,000 what I started with. Now I'm at 12,000. That would then be 200% growth over that time period or whatever it is, because I haven't put any new money in. I want to make sure y'all understand this. I haven't put any new money in of my own. I might have got $10 from a referral here and there or something like that along the way. I don't know, but I haven't put any new money in. I just want to make that clear. Yeah. Well, how much did you initially invest? $4,000. How much money have you added? Nothing so far. So now I got my $4,000 back. I'm playing with house money the rest of the time. Now I did have to put some money in later because we were trying to fix a problem. Y'all seen that happen over the past couple of days. Now let's keep going. So boom, that's the big drop. When you see that big drop, I pulled it out. I said, man, sell. So I went and sold, right? Then guess what happened after that? There's a short decline. Look at this. A short decline happened. Now, lo and behold, I did this on February 12th. Lo and behold, 12 hours later or something like that, we had the big decline on the 14th or on the 14th. So a day later, 48 hours later, I was ahead of this particular time frame where it might decline. You see what I'm saying? I was ahead of it. I didn't have to react to it. I was proactive because I was willing to secure the bag. Now, what does that mean? That means that I didn't have to go down, right, with it and then say I'm going to add some more money to it. No, when it went down, I already had some money available from my initial seed money. Then I could go back in and I could then start to what you call it? I can really begin to compound. I can accelerate some growth. So this was the day where the market was down. I want to be clear. This was the day when the market was down, but I was up $800. And they couldn't believe it. They said, well, wait a second. How's the market down for the day, but you're up? Because it's all about timing. Everybody put in console timing. Time is of the essence because I came in at the right time, right? I rode the wave up, although the market was down. And see, people, they couldn't understand it. They couldn't understand it because, again, they may not be sophisticated or advanced or next level. I don't know. But I'm a crypto trader millionaire. How about that? Okay? Is that making any sense to anybody? Right? For those newbies or people that just don't get it, right? I get it. It's timing, right? So, hey, the market was down, but I didn't get in on the downswing. I got in on the upswing. So I was up, although the market overall was down. Is that making any sense to anybody? Timing. When you enter, where you enter. Timing. So now we move on, right? We're in the 20th now, so 6 days later, some stuff has happened. I move some money over to my trading account, blah, blah, blah. So now we're at 1145, right? 1145. Hopefully we're unstuck today. This is the holding account. This is the holding account. So, you guys know that's been watching for a minute. I went ahead and set another target. I said, no, I'm going to get this thing to 20,000 by the end of the month. Okay, 20K. That's where we're going. Let's come over here to my trading account. So my trading account, I got another 1,500. So 14.5 plus 1,500, right? That puts me at 16K. Now remember, let's look at this. I'm gonna be fair. I'm gonna have to be fair. I'll be honest with myself. Everybody putting guys, so be honest. You got to be honest with yourself. I don't really have to be honest with you guys. I can act like this is all this and that. No. I'm gonna be honest with myself. So I know what happened, right? What happened was I got caught up on some stuff, so I added $1,500, but that was $1,500 from my 4,000, right? That I had pulled out. So that's still fair. That's still fair. $976. I pulled that over because I was trying to fix that stuck problem. That's still for my 4,000. That's still fair. That still counts, right? I don't have to subtract that. That still counts. All right. I got another 350. So basically that's about 15 plus another 12. That's about $2,700. So literally I could add another $1,300 or $1,500 to my 16 if I wanted to, and make that real be the number 17.5. I'm not gonna do that though. No. I'm gonna take it from where it is now, 16,000. Got 8 days left. This thing getting to 20,000. Don't believe me? Just watch me. Okay. Now, did I have any withdrawals? I didn't have any US withdrawals. So I'm gonna be honest with myself. All right, I'm not gonna cheat myself. Hey, don't cheat yourself. Trying to look good for somebody else, trying to put on for somebody else. Don't cheat yourself. I'm gonna be honest with myself. I'm taking this thing where we are now, 16,000. I got 4,000 to go. The countdown is on, baby. All right. Whoo. I don't feel like I'm unstuck, man. Whoo, I feel like I'm unstuck. All right. So now what I'm going to do here, come over to my portfolio. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to start by pulling over this USDC that I've been holding over here for a minute. And while I've been holding it over here, the reason why I hold it over here, because it also pays me a compounding interest. So while I'm holding it over here, it's just paying me 0.15, not a whole lot, but it's better than nothing. It's better than just sitting there not doing nothing. And it's just paying me on time. 7 cents might not seem like a lot. That's what I've gotten so far. It don't seem like a lot, but it's better than nothing. Something, it all adds up. Everybody put that in the comments. So it all adds up. So let me pull that over here and see if I can manipulate this thing, because it's still going to try to keep me, this 1,500 is on hold. But maybe, just maybe, if I pull over the USDC, which I have, hopefully it'll let me, oh, it don't, let's see if it's going, okay. I'll pull over this, okay, it's clear. I'll pull over this USDC, boom, and I'm going to convert it to USD, I think. Okay, boom. All right, so now I have 28.29 over here. I got some money that I could actually invest, or I could do something with. But what I want to do first, I want to see if I can anything that I want to hold, which is this die. This die, I want to actually move that over. So let me see if it's going to let me do that now that I brought the money over from there. See if it's going to let me do that. Uh-oh, it might work. Yes, yes, ha, yes, ha, woo, yeah, woo, oh, yes. We are unlocked, people. We are unlocked. Okay, let me see if I bring my algo over here. Oh, Lord. Ooh, okay, don't, okay, hold on. Let me see. Wait a second. Yes! Oh, yes, we are free. Oh, I want to be free. Okay, some of y'all don't know what just happened. Okay, listen. Oh, Lord. Oh, I got a heart attack. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I'm coming to see you, Lane. I'm coming to see you. Woo! Oh, man. Maya Angelou says this. I know why the caged bird sings. I've been caged up. I've been locked up. I locked myself up because we had some money that was supposed to clear, didn't clear. And so because it wasn't clear, then let me move stuff like I want to move. So I now just manipulated. I brought some money over, right, from over here. I brought some money over from over here. That now gave me capital to be able to move. So now I moved all my holding stuff to my holding account. Whoo, Lord. So now let's take a look at this. So now what did I do? So now y'all see I got algo, right? I'm whoo, Lord, whoo, hold on. Oh, let me get some water. Oh Lord, y'all, you ever been somewhere and you felt like you was suppressed? Maybe you went to some meeting with some people and you couldn't wait to get up out of that thing, or you went to church, you was like, is church over yet? And then finally they opened the door and said, y'all can leave. You like, whoo, big breath of fresh air. That's how I felt just right there. I want to be free. Oh yeah. Okay. Whoo, Lord, I don't even know what to do now. Okay. All right. Whoo. So we got this algo, right? Algo, we had $3,000 over here in algo. That's our biggest reward, right? While we got that sitting over here, algo's getting us 6%. Boom, this is my hold account. That's compounding. That's working for me all day, every day. As long as they make it available, I'm still getting it, 6%. This thing done grabbed me $10 already. And guess what? It keep on going up. It don't stop. Won't stop, don't stop. Can't stop, right? Won't stop, don't stop, can't stop. I got Cosmos, right? I'm putting y'all on game, man. Lord, I got Cosmos, right? Cosmos, what is it doing? It's also giving me 5% growth as far as a reward or APY, right, over time. So it's always paying me. My money's always working for me. Even when I'm not trading, my money is working for me. This is why I find these coins to be valuable, right? I find them valuable. You might not find them valuable, but I find them valuable because I understand this thing called compound interest. And Albert Einstein said that if you understand it, you will earn it. If you don't understand it, you will pay it. And most of us have not understood this thing called compound interest. Therefore, we paid it with our student loans. Therefore, we paid it with our car loans. Therefore, we paid it with our mortgage. Therefore, we pay it with our credit cards, right? We didn't understand it, so we pay it. And that's going towards what? That's going towards poverty. Now, some people might argue, hey, I'm going to strategize with the thing called credit, but most people don't know how to strategize with credit. Let's be honest. You want to fix your credit so you can go get more stuff so you can go get further into debt. instead of fixing your credit so you can go get assets or acquire assets, and then those assets outgain what you have to pay in interest on the return back. I can do this all day long, people. I can do this all day long. So if you said to me you were going to go fix your credit so you can then go buy this multifamily unit, so then you can rent that unit out, and then the rent that comes in from the tenants was going to pay not only for the mortgage, not only for the loan that you just got, but it is also going to bring you profit, then we'd be talking about strategy. Everybody putting down some strategy. Then we're talking about strategy. But the honest truth is, most people just want to fix their credit so they can go further into debt. How silly is that? Oh, did I mention I'm a certified global financial educator? Okay, I'm sorry. We will be trading. I'm not supposed to be teaching on that. Okay, let me come back over here to the trading stuff. I lost y'all for a minute. So wait a second. We get a whole financial lesson over here. Tezos, what's that doing? Got that over Tezos? They give me a 4.63%. This is my holding account. It's always working for me. Even when I'm not trading, even if I take a day off from trading, I'm still making money. My money, now I'm not making money. My money's making money, which simply means that I've learned how to grow money instead of just simply earning money. Here's what I want to help you get to. I want to help you get to a space where you're growing money. That's what millionaires do. That's how the rich keep getting rich. That's how the wealthy keep getting richer. The wealthy keep getting wealthier because their money is always working for them, bringing back more money, and they have compound interest working in their favor versus against them. They're lenders and not borrowers. You can't tell me that your heavenly Father or whoever it is that you subscribe to, the power of the universe. You can't tell me that the universe does not want you to be rich. You can't tell me that the universe does not want you to be prosperous. The thing is, you gotta want it. Now, let's take a look at these three coins for a second, right? I already know what I'm gonna do today over here on the trading platform. Let's take a look at algo. Over the past 24 hours, this same thing that's giving me 6% is up 4% over the past hour. Over the past week, it's down 17%, but that's okay because over the past month, it's up 171%. Now, I've been holding this coin for a month now. So while I've been holding this coin for a month, I'm up 185%. And that's my cake. And my icing is every day I'm accruing a 6% APY, which is compounding daily. Let's take a look here at Cosmos. Why y'all talking about Dogecoin? Doge. Okay, y'all holding that, but you're not holding this. Doesn't make any sense. Of course, y'all wouldn't know that because y'all been listening to Reddit boys and Wall Street boys and Elon Musk. While he talking about one thing, he doing a whole nother, but that's a whole nother story. Cosmos is up 4% or 5% over the past 24 hours. It's up 13% over the past week. It's up 178% over the past month. This is a coin that I've held for over a month. I've got 194% growth since I've held it. Plus, that's the cake. Plus 5% APY that is compounding daily. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Most people, it's too early. It's too early for them to get up. It's Saturday morning. They were here yesterday on Friday because they had to get up. Now they can choose to get up. They did not get up and they're missing this information. You see? 40 people, 50 people yesterday, but it's Saturday. That's a good day to sleep in. And I want you guys to understand that money never sleeps. Everybody put that in the comments below. Money never sleeps. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing every day because I got somewhere to go. It's called the wealthy place. It's called Crypto Trading Millionaires. All right. Tezos, right? 4.63%. This one here hadn't really been doing well, but it's working in my favor. I got 0.55 for the past 24 hours. I'm down 1% over the past week. I'm up 72% over the past month. I've held this for over a month. Give me 4.63 APY. This is why it's my holding account. While I hold over here, I just keep getting wealthier and wealthier. Just basically snail's pace, turtle pace. But on steroids, Turtle got a little rocket ship on him too. I don't know how he got a rocket now, but he got a rocket on his shell, and he started. Not only is he walking slow, but the rocket pushing him faster. I don't know how the damn turtle got a rocket. I don't know, but that's what happened. Okay, All right, we're gonna have to tell the story a little different. Let's come over here to my trading account. Oh, it's 5:30. Oh, let me talk. We got a little break. I'm gonna let y'all think about what I just shared with y'all, because now I'll probably need to write stuff down. Now I need to reevaluate how y'all looking at stuff, and we'll be right back after the break.
Oh, yeah.
All right, my beautiful people, man. The Black Bazaar. Shout out to our sponsor. The sponsor is me, by the way. That is my other business that I run. The Black Bazaar, Afrocentric home decor, personal care products, also Black art inspired gifts. You can shop Black there. Not only are you shopping Black there, I have a section called Black owned partners, Black business partners. These are other businesses that I promote through my business, right? That's called corporate group economics, right? They do it. They say, why should the white guys have all the fun, right? That's a book that was written by Reginald Lewis. Why should the white boys have all the fun? This is what they do. They support and promote and market each other. And I'm just going to lead by example. So not only can you shop Black with me, you can shop Black with other Black-owned businesses right through my same platform. That's at theblackbazaar.com. I want you guys to remember this, that once you shop Black, you never go back, okay? Once you shop Black, you never go back. All right, so let's see here. Black, we going to get back where we was at. Where we was at. Okay, now I do want to make sure, because I don't do that. This is the part that I be messing up on. I do not share everything with you guys, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I want to make sure I give you the links, that if in case you're like, I need the link or whatever, you don't want to go to the description and all that stuff. Let me put these links down here real quick. We're gonna get to the trade. All right. So here's the Coinbase link. You guys got a Coinbase account. Make sure you're sharing it with other people, right? You spread the word. Everybody get rich together. You see what I'm saying? Spread the word for your link. I'm going to share with you my link, okay? And there's a Coinbase link. And then that's in the comments now. And then we have the classes coming up. So if you're interested in the class, see if I can find this class link for you real quick. That wasn't it. 1 second. Okay, I had to go somewhere else. All right, 1 second, guys. I know I put it somewhere. I'm gonna get this link for you guys real quick so that you can have it. In case you guys are trying to get out. I'll be forgetting this stuff. Sometimes it's easier just to click it on the link or whatever. So I'm grabbing that for you. All right, so here's the link to the class. All right, to the March 6th. If you want to come to the March 6th class, that's it. I just put it in the chat, in the stream. All right, let's come over here to our trade. Let's see what we got going on today. All right, y'all good? All right, love the station break. I appreciate it, man. On the website and share it with friends. All right, fantastic, absolutely. All right, cool. So let's get to the trade. So here's my trading account. Y'all see I did some stuff. I'll unleash myself. Let's first take a look at what we're going to do. Look at what happened, right? What has happened, right? So here's what happened yesterday, the 19th. Right, I came in about SNX. We're gonna take a look at that. About LRC that executed while we were on stream. 545. I came in and bought some more Atom, which we pushed over to our holding account. Bought some more Algo, something that I hold. Pushed that over to the trading account. I bought those because I couldn't do anything else but to buy. Now, last night I came in. I put an order in on my favorite graph, GRT. So let's start there. So graph, lo and behold. Now, if y'all remember, y'all know I'm sick about this one because this is my favorite chart to trade on. And if you guys remember, I had been building up a position on graph. I've been building it up. I was like, oh, this thing gonna pop off. I'm ready. I was ready, right? So that's happened 4 days ago. I started about 245 and I averaged down 215, averaged down again 209. And then something happened. I came here, I tried to put a sell order, like a limit order, and set my price, but I had it on market instead of limit. So I sold it all at 210. I was pissed. I said, oh, Lord, what? Then we've been building that position up, you guys remember. That's okay, though. You know, you live and you learn. I made a mistake. So then I came back in last night. I saw it at 210 again, and I bought 185 piece, right? And I said, you know what? I ain't going to be greedy. I'm going to try to get rid of this thing if this thing hit 235. Right now it's at 250, right? I could have been a little bit more patient with this one, but the problem is, again, I'm still locked up. So I don't want to lock my money up any more than it already is until this thing clear, and I got another 4 days for the new $1,500 to clear. So I got to be able to make some moves. So anyway, I got it at 210. I got out at 235 at 25 cents. That's a little single, right? That's a little single, but that stuff start adding up on 185 piece. So you know what I'm gonna do? Give yourself a hand. That's a winner chicken dinner. All right, not much. I could have been patient, but if look what happened. If I was holding all that stuff I was holding before, I was averaging down, just waiting, being patient. Man, all right, missed opportunity, live, you learn. I still won. All I do is win. All right. Then we have LRC looping. I'll go SNX. Let's go SNX since I'm already in that. So I got 10 at SNX. Now look at this. I came in at SNX. I bought at 22.24. You see this thing right now? Let's go to 15-minute chart. You see this thing right now? I got it at 22.24, right about here. And we see this thing already pushing up. So you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to go ahead and put this sell thing out. I'm going to go ahead and try to limit sell. I'm going to max this thing out. And I'm actually going to put a sell order for this thing at 25. I'm trying to get about. I could try to get out right now. It's at 24.77. I don't have to be greedy, but I think, let me see. Let's take a look here. 415 on the buy. 38 on the buy. Let's take a look, see what this thing's showing. Look at the depth chart. 24.73 and counting. It seemed like it's trying to come back down. You know what? I'm not going to be greedy. Let me go ahead right now and sell this thing. Boom. I might pay a little bit more. Let's see, it's 87 cents. Let's do, let me do here. I got to move, guys. I got to move. 88 cents. So it's about the same. So let me go ahead and go here. Oh, it's got 24.8. Yeah, let me go ahead. I could wait, but I ain't gonna be greedy. Let's go ahead. Bam. Okay, let me go ahead and get that little money real quick. Okay. Whew. Oh Lord, let me go ahead and get that real quick. So 24.8. Now I could have waited till 25, quite possibly, but you know, I'm winning. Go ahead and secure the bag. We see at 25, it's looking to break. It's already broke that 24.5. That was going to be my position to sell it about 24.5 anyway. I got it at 24.8, right? It's probably still pushing up. I'm not going to be greedy. Don't be greedy. What it is, secure the bag. Everybody putting guys on secure the bag. Secure the bag. Y'all know what we need to do. Boy, you keep on practicing. You keep on getting up at 5 a.m. in the morning. You keep on doing what you're doing, brother. You're getting better every day. Getting 10% better, 1% better, 2% better. If you get 1% better every day, that means you're going to get 365% better compounded in a year. And if you get better, guess what happens? If you get better, I want to tell you that if you get better, your bank account gets better. If you get better. Somebody said to me, we was looking at the chat over in our Blackout American Airline, whatever that's called, that group. Brother said, I want to earn more money. I want to earn more and I want to get smarter. And I said to him, man, if you make smarter moves, you'll start making more money. You don't need to focus on both, right? Too many people are focused on the money. I'm not focused on the money. You know what I'm looking at? I'm looking at the chart. Right? Somebody said, well, what's your percentages and all this stuff? Listen, I'm winning every trade. Not every trade. Roughly, you know what I mean when I say I'm winning the majority of my trades. Do I need to pay attention to which one was the home run and which one's the single, which one's the double? No. What I need to do is make sure I keep putting W's right in my column. At the end of the day, right? At the end of the day, when you got the World Series or the Super Bowl or the whatever the NBA Finals, at the end of the day, you know what it looked like? They say who brought home the championship. It didn't say how much they win the score by. It didn't really care if they won, if they swept them, or if they went to 7 games. At the end of the day, all that mattered was who holding up the trophy. Some of y'all, I'm telling y'all, I don't focus on that stuff. I focus on winning every trade I can. If it's a single, a double, I'm gonna get my singles, my doubles, my triples, my home runs, my grand slams. I might even get hit by a pitch and get walk. I might get a walk. I'm getting on base. Okay, now let's keep going. LRC, loop it. Now I can go back and I can do all this calculation and stuff like that. Hey, it's right here in the history. I can see I won. That's what it's important to me. I won. LRC, right? Now I got a 400 piece on LRC. I came in, I bought at 72 cents. Oh Lord, I got 72 cents. And that thing jumped up to 77. Oh, let me go in a little closer. Let me see what's happening. What happened? That thing jumped up to 72 cents. It jumped up to 76 cents. It's got some support at 75.5 and 76.5. Oh, it's gonna go sideways for a little bit. 76.5. So basically at 76, where we are right now, I could try to push this thing up. I'm going to do the same thing, though. I'm going to go ahead and secure the bag. I'm going to go ahead and secure the bag. Market order on this one. I'm not going to look to push this up. I'm already in a winning position. I'm going to secure the bag. I'm not going to be greedy. Boom. I just got to do it, right? Boom. I'm cool. Cool on that, right? Now, this thing can pump up and go a little bit higher. The market's moving up. It still got some room to grow. We see this W pattern that formed right here. Oh, Lord, that's a beautiful W pattern. But we see that W pattern still has to break 77 cents, and it hasn't done it yet. It does have some momentum. We are in the weekend, but I'm going to look for some more opportunity. That's what I'm going to do. Let me secure the bag, pull my little guap over here, and then figure out what I'm going to do with this $2,200 now. What am I going to do with this $2,200? Now, I could have stayed in that thing. I could have. Well, we're going to see if we can find something else to do. All right. So that's me. I just secured the bag. You say 3 winning trades, right? Boom, bam, just like that, right? So I hit a double on one of them, hit a single on another, but I still got all my stuff working for me. So Zcash is down 5%. I don't want to trade this one. This one seems to be one I could trade, but it's too expensive for my blood. I really want to stay around $20 or less. What I'm doing is I'm looking at my capital, $2,200, and I'm going 2% on that, which I believe is 2% of that should be $22 if I'm doing my math correct. So that's what I'm looking to trade, something that's $22 or less and something that actually has some decline on it. If not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my, here we go, Bancorp. Let's see what's going on here. It's a $5 investment. $5. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna trade Mantar today. I don't even know what this is. I don't need to know what it is. What I do know is I know how much I want to pay for it. $5.20. I already see that. $5.20. Now let's see what the order book's telling me. Right here, $5.28. $5.20 that's too low. So if I want to get this, I need to be getting it at $5.30. But $5.20 is what it's telling me on the chart. See, here's the problem. So I'm gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna go to 5 because it's got to go through all this junk. 47194 right here. So I'm gonna go here, $5.28. I really don't want to pay this much for it, but I do want to make a play, so we'll do that. And I would probably go 100. That'd be a 500. But I don't really want to get it that much. At that much, so I'm gonna do 2 plays on this. I'm gonna do 50 here, right at this 5.28, and I'm gonna go down to my original position, which I saw, which is 5.20, and I'm gonna put an order there too. So I'm gonna go 5.20. I'll do another 50. Out of 75, average down. Put 2 orders out. So if it hits that first position at 5.28, I'm cool. If it comes on down to 5.20, I hit that second position where I feel like we got some short-term support. And then I could even go a little bit further if I really wanted to push it down to $5. And again, this is my only play, so I'll do that. I'll go to $5. And I'll put in another 50 piece. What I'm doing now is I'm trying to lock up my capital because I can only move so much back, right? I can only move so much back. And this is the only play that I see thus far. And let's look on another side. Let's look at the USDC side. Okay. So that's Zcash. I don't really want to move that. I don't want to mess with that. GNT, whatever that is, look like we're going to be playing GNT and Loom today. So now let me move this stuff over. So now we're going to convert everything back to USDC. Now I have not played a USDC play yet in front of you guys. So we're going to do that today. We're going to play USDC in that pair. And I'm going to go and see if we can do something with GNT. I don't know what the hell it's doing. I don't need to know what it's doing because I know how to read a chart. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Whew, it's rough. All right, so here we see some sideways consolidation. We see that this thing was on a decline about I guess 10 o'clock yesterday, right? Lower high, lower high, low, lower low, but then it bounced up and it began to form some support right here. So that's why I'm actually put an order in right on the support line. Now it's going sideways consolidation. So this thing could come down. I'm going to look to go at about 0.4. I think that's about 0.43 or so, something that's going on over there. I'm going to go low on this one because again, I don't know this one. I don't know this chart. So I'm going to try to go for the gusto. And then if it comes down to my thing to where I want to get it at or I feel comfortable getting that, so be it. If it doesn't, so be it. I don't care. So that's 0.43. That's a little bit higher. So it looks like I'm going to 0.441. That's fair. I can do 0.441. I can do 0.441, put a limit order, 0.441. That means I got to get about 500 pieces of this thing. Yeah, I'm going to get about 500 pieces, try to pick it up at 0.441. I'm going to come over here to Loom. What's this? Loom token update. Loom has deployed a new token contract that Coinbase does not currently support. What does that mean? February 1st. Loom deployed the new token to swap contracts. You can reference Loom blog later. What do I need to know? The Loom token is only available on Coinbase Pro. Coinbase will not support the new smart contract at the time of token swap. You won't be able to trade, buy, sell the new token. You can still trade the older version of Loom before the conversion later in 2021. Once Coinbase supports the new smart contract later in 2020, Coinbase will automatically convert all Loom tokens in account. We will notify. Okay, it's a smart contract. It's on the Ethereum platform. Okay, I need to know that. Okay, that's cool. We can still trade it. Okay, at least oh, Lord, look at this. I done missed the opportunity here. This thing looked like it came down about 0.14 here. Look at this, though. This is a great little, okay, wait a second. This is a great little thing going on over here. Oh, this is good. I like this. Okay, Loom, look at this. So this is clear. I love this. I love when I see stuff like this. This is very clear. This thing has pumped up to about 0.17 or 65 right there. Came on down, right down to 0.14. Came back up here, 0.15 or 0.16. It came down for retested 0.16. Came back down about 0.14. Now it's going back up. It's trying to retest. So this thing is this is a trader's dream. This is a trader's dream. This right here is a trader's dream. Why? Because it is very clear what this thing is doing. Now, this here's two things that will probably happen with this chart that we're looking at here. It's either going to retest again, which will be a third test onto the 0.16 frame, right in that area. Or it's going to retest and then bounce back down, and then it might start to crash. It might start to break down. Or it's going to retest and break through. So if we're lucky, it's going to break down because we actually want to get in the position. But if we're not lucky, someone else is going to feel good because it's going to break out. And if it breaks out, it's going to go to the moon. So that's probably what's going to happen over the next little bit of time. So this thing is still moving up. It's a lot of upward pressure. But I refuse to buy high. So I'm going to put this thing down here, looking at the possible breakdown, and I'm going to 0.1475 because again, I don't really care if I get this or not. I just want to lock up my my capital because I can't do anything else with it. So if it does hit, you know what I'm saying, I'm feeling pretty good about that. I could go to 0.144 0.145, or I could go to 0.147, which is here, which I'll do 0.147. 0.147 looks like a better option. So go 0.1. That's 14 cents. I mean, I don't even know what that is. 14 cents. I mean, what is that? Do I do 500 on that? That's not enough. That's 14 cents. I'll do 1,000 on that. Good Lord. I mean, what am I? Okay, wait a second. What do I do? 1,500? I just do 1,000. I don't even know. I don't even know what that is. That's a 14 cents. Yeah. Well, we'll just do 114 cents. I don't know what it's gonna do. I mean, this is my first time playing Loom. I don't know what the hell Loom is, so I'll just play that. I'll just play that. Okay. Somebody asked what app am I using? This is Coinbase, and this is what you're seeing now is Pro Coinbase. So it's all on the Coinbase platform. I've left some links and stuff. Links is in the description. Links is in the chat somewhere for that as well. So I don't know what the hell Loom is. So, you know, I'm just going to play it safe and try to get this thing on the low. If it breaks down, we're going to be happy. It's actually down 0.4% as it relates to 24 hours ago, but we see this thing pushing up. I mean, it's a whole bunch of volume pushing this thing up. The thing is going to be, is it going to break through? Is it going to break out? It's setting itself up for a breakout, but this is a whole bunch of pressure breaking up. So, you know, this could very well break out. And you know, but I'm not chasing. I don't chase money. Money chases me. So if this thing doesn't come down to where I want to get it, I'll just be watching somebody else get rich with this particular one, and I'll live to fight another day. I still got my capital. Now I got USDC here. I don't think I found anything else. Nope, I don't see any other opportunities right now. Everything's up. I'm just moving on up with it. I'm not going to trade Zcash. I don't want to trade that. I did Bent already. I think I already did that, right? Yeah, I got 3 orders on buy on Bent. I still got 980 on there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to withdraw as much USDC as I can. Oh, we got a new cipher. I gotta do something with new cipher. I'm sorry. Gotta do something with new cipher. Take a look at that real quick for you guys. New cipher. I got in at 75 cents on the new cipher. This thing is pushing up. Right. So what I have set here, I think is good. I got it set at 82.5 to sell. We're still in a winning position at 76. I'm in at 75. So I'm going to hold tight on this, try to see if we can see if this will push up, strike at our execute at our sell, and then we'll be clapping tomorrow. So hopefully that'll happen. But I still have some money over here that I need to move because I have to have it must be working for me. So I'm going to, I'm going to convert. I'm going to try to convert this. It's not letting me. That must be the hold. So I'm going to withdraw the USDC, put it back up, try to put it back over there to Coinbase as much as I can. So I can't move all of it. Let me see how much I can move. It's not moving all of it. How much can I move? I don't know. It may not let me move any of it because I got some type of restriction. Let's see here. 1,500, 24. I know it's 1,500. So 2447 minus 1,500 will be 947, roughly. I got 907. No, I got 1,300. Okay. So I can withdraw. Let's just withdraw 900. That should work. Okay, just doing the math. You got to do the math. 1,500. So I know I got to hold 1,500 here just because those funds haven't cleared. Okay. All right. Now we got that. So now we got 1,500 over here. 1,550. Let's make sure we do the math again. Just make sure nothing happened while we were trading. Come over here, do a quick refresh. 1,550. And this is 11.5, right? 0.5. Hold on. 11.5, 15.50, 0.5, 10, 1, 2. Is that right? I feel like I must not. Oh, I must didn't. No. I don't know where I'm messing up. It looks like we're at, oh, I do have some money. Huh? That don't sound right. Oh, because I added the other. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what I'm counting. I feel like I'm missing up with my count. 11.5. What do I have tied up over here? And it says 1,500. 11.5. That's 13. That's 13,000. Right. I don't know where I got 16 at earlier. Then maybe I wrote 14 instead of. At any rate, I don't know. We're at 13,000. Okay. Still gonna get to 20,000. Doesn't matter. All right. Doesn't matter. Still gonna get to 20,000. Okay. So, any questions? Okay. Oh, so I brought the USDC back over here. I got $900 in USDC. That's giving me 0.15. Right. I brought all my Algo, my Cosmo, my Tezos over, and now it's just it's just about getting to the money. Hopefully, some things execute. Hopefully the market keeps pushing up. Right. If it doesn't, I'm protecting myself as well. I'm playing a doubles game. I'm playing long term and short term at the same time. So you got any questions for me? Any questions about Coinbase, crypto? Right. I got a little time today. I'm not tired. We got till 7:45 to my next broadcast. So I'll be more than happy to answer a couple of questions before I go and take a break till 7:45. Get here. Let's see what you guys got. Because some of y'all been asking questions in my inbox. I say, hey, come to my stream. If you can get up in the morning, you can get up in the morning and tune in. Then you can get your questions answered. Get out my inbox. The only thing you're going to get my inbox is a link. Here's the link to the class. Right? I'm telling you, your inbox, your DMs start changing when you got links, by the way. If I had $600, would I put it all in crypto? I don't know what the rest of that financial situation looks like to answer that question. Are you saying $600 of disposable income, $600 of tradable income? I don't know the whole scope. Again, I'm a financial educator, so what is this $600? What is this $600? Then I can kind of answer that. All right. And then also, obviously, then that would come into play once we determine what this $600 is. What else do you have set up? So I don't just trade crypto. I'm in stocks too. So I use stocks as my long-term wealth generator. I use crypto as my short-term wealth income generator. You notice I said there's two different words. I got an income generator and I got a wealth generator, right? So then if I say that, then I'm gonna ask you, okay, well, what do you want to do? What are you looking to accomplish? Are you looking to build wealth at this point, or do you need to get your income up? If you need to get your income up, then go crypto. If your income is straight and you're just looking to build wealth, then you might do half and half. All right, it depends on your goal. What you're looking to accomplish. What you're looking to accomplish has a lot to do with how you play that $600, right? You got a Forex account. Okay, what do you use your Forex account for? So if you have a Forex account, Forex and crypto are very similar. They're both income generators, right? So then you gotta say, okay, well, I'm playing two short games, right? With Forex and looks like crypto quite possibly. Which one are you going to focus on? They both act in the same manner. They're both income generators, but they're both short term. So which one are you going to focus on mastering? Or you can say, okay, well, which one do I think I can really make some money out of? Right? I don't know what your skill level is in Forex or crypto. So if you're saying, you know what, I'm going to switch and I'm going to do full-time crypto, part-time Forex, hey, that's cool too. Right? So that that you kind of mix that up. So that then you can make that decision. If I had to choose between those two, I think crypto is a lot easier than Forex. It's a lot easier to create, a lot easier to get some income from crypto than I believe in Forex. But I haven't done Forex before. But in my estimation, it's a whole lot more. It's a whole lot more complex. This is easy to me. Okay, so now then you say, okay, well, if I do decide to go, full crypto, okay, how am I going to disperse that? How am I going to allocate that? How am I going to diversify that $600 into this crypto space, right? Am I, that's the next question you kind of got to ask yourself, and then determine how you want to attack the crypto space with that $600. I surely wouldn't just do full $600 into like Bitcoin. You know what I mean? I want to own some Bitcoin, but you say you're looking for income. So Bitcoin is not an income generator. Bitcoin is more of a wealth builder. You see what I'm saying? You see how if you understand the coin, you understand the asset, you can start to decipher, okay, what is this? What am I going to do with this coin? Right? And then you start to make it fit into your strategy for attacking the market. Chris P, what's going on? What does the shading mean in the candlestick part of the graph? The shading. Let me see if I can see what you're talking about. Are you talking about the depth chart? Are you talking about this? This what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about, Chris? I believe this is what you're talking about when you say shading. Okay. So this right here, this right here is basically a depiction of everything that's going over here in the order book. So as I drill in or drill out, notice at the bottom, you're gonna have these numbers change. So if I go in, that means you can call it zooming in or basically zooming out. Then these numbers are going to go further out. So I'm gonna be able to go further out in the order book, so I can see, really where's the level of orders as we go further out. It helps me to kind of determine long-term or levels to what we would call support and resistance. So I can see, how heavy right here. If I go in, I can see how heavy the orders are once we start to approach, $5.25 on this for this particular asset, and I can see how light it is as we get higher, right? Which gives me the indication that there's a good support level right around 525 for this particular asset, right? Then if I start going out a little bit further, I can see now we have some resistance at about 530. You know what I'm saying? So I'm able to correlate the expanse of a spread, right? And see how much pressure is coming from whatever that the distance is in that spread from my midpoint. So think about it like, okay, let me try to explain this better. Spread, meaning this is my median in the middle, right? And then if I go over, let's just I go over 10 points to the left and 10 points to the right, then I can see, which one of those sides has the most pressure. So in this particular depth chart, whatever this spread is, right? If I go over to the right, which is where the sell orders take place, I can see there's a lot of pressure. This is how I was able to determine when I was looking at Bitcoin, like, okay, where's the pressure at to actually suppress this thing from actually, going to the moon? So I can see here at about 532, around 531, 532 or so, we have a lot of selling pressure, a lot of orders to sell at that particular price point, for the spread. So it's just really give you over here in the order book, it gives you basically a visual, and versus you having to try to see everything that's going on. You see a visual, and look at this, right what I just said, 532, right here we got these 2,500 orders need to be filled at the 532, and that's the same thing we're seeing over here, 531, 532, a lot of selling pressure. If we come down, same spread, we'll see right here, we have a little bit of pressure, 525, but it's saying, hey, 527. Because we're not going out that far over here. If I was to go out a little bit further, which I don't know if I can, right here, see 525, boom, right here we got 8,900. We got 8,900 pieces that need to be filled here at the 525 as I went out. So hopefully it's an easier way to see the order book. That making any sense? And that's still something, again, you keep showing up. You keep looking at it. If you have a Coinbase Pro account, start making sense to you. But it's basically a visual of the order book. Let's see what else you asked. Who else asked something? What time is the intro to the crypto class on March 6th? 11 a.m. It's recorded as well. So if you are working, it's a Saturday at 11 a.m. If you're unable to make it, if you get the class, then you will you'll get the recording. Coinbase Pro you're using? Yes, it's Coinbase Pro. Let's see what else you guys got. Okay, cool. Can you sell stock like Allstate and can you sell stock? I don't understand that question. Can you sell stock like Allstate and transfer it to Coinbase? If you sell stock, then you're going to get capital. And if you use that capital to go buy whatever you want to go buy, you can do that. So if you want to come in, you want to fund your account with the stock that you sell, yes, you can do that. You're not transferring anything, though. You're just selling your stock, getting your capital, and then using your capital to go buy whatever you want. And if you want to go and invest it into Coinbase to buy a coin or something like that, yes, you can do that. So it's not trade, it's not transferring, it's just buying and then selling and then buying something else. So yes, you can do that. So hopefully that I'll probably have to explain the depth chart further, but it's just basically a depiction of the order book. And that's the cool thing about cryptocurrency. Everything is in the open. You can see everything. It's nothing that you can't see. It's an open ledger. Everybody putting console open. It's an open ledger. This is what makes it very easy to trade, in my opinion. Because I can see everything. I can see all the orders that's taking place. I can see all the orders that just took place. I get a good idea of where this thing is headed, and then I can make a decision based upon what I gather from that intel. In the comments below, I'd love for you to share something that you learned today. All right, something that stood out to you guys. This is the Coinbase crypto trading millionaires. You know, the more we learn, the more we earn. What did you earn today? What did you learn today? I'll simply ask you to answer this question in the comments below. Was this worth your time and why? Was this worth your time and why? Now, while you guys are typing that stuff out, I will go ahead and give you guys our announcements to let you guys know what's going on. Again, shout out to our sponsor, ERGJ, or The Black Bazaar. Thank you so much for your sponsorship to help us make this thing come true. Now, what do we got coming up? 7:45, we got New Black Wall Street Book Club. Continue our journey. We're going to be finishing the chapter in the Wealth Choice that's talking about to thine own self be true. For those in the BBC at 9 o'clock, we have our Breakfast Club. So it's a chance for us to get to know who's in the BBC and for the BBC to get to know us. So if you are some people, you can choose to join BBC or not. I don't have anything on tap tonight, but tomorrow is going to be our first Nigerian crypto learning session. So if you're in Nigeria, you're watching now, we will at 9 o'clock in the morning, my time, 3 o'clock your time, we will have our first Nigerian crypto learning session. Of course, anybody else that wants to join and so show your support for our brothers and sisters in Nigeria, where they are basically restricting Nigerians from actually participating in the cryptocurrency space. What we have come to agree upon thus far is that we can still learn what we don't know. We can still learn what we can about crypto. So then, because eventually they're going to have to open it up. As they open those things up, we'll be ready to attack because we're armed with information. We're armed with information. So that's what we're going to do there. So shout out to my brothers and sisters in Nigeria. You do have a brother over here in the United States, in the Americas, that is concerned, that loves you. And we're going to work with our brothers and sisters in the diaspora because this is a global fight. It's not just a fight in America. It's global, right? It's not even at this point. I hate to tell you guys, it's not even a race thing. It's a class thing. It's all about the haves and the have-nots. You guys saw that thing. Y'all saw what happened with GameStop. Y'all saw the little people fighting against the few big people. Y'all see what happened. Y'all see what's happening. Okay. Can you put the link? Could you put link to BBC? Oh, wait a second. Miss Glenda Tate Williams, are you saying you finally, are you saying, Mr. Glenda Tate Williams, all this time, are you saying that you're finally making a decision? Is that what I'm hearing, Miss Glenda? No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me Miss Glenda Tate Williams. Whoa, wait a second. Let me put this link down here real quick. Let me put it in here real quick because that's a little like Miss Glenda Tate Williams. It says she about to make a decision to join us here in the BBC. Okay, let me put that thing in there right now. Okay. All right. Alan John, is trading crypto like options where you need 100 shares? No, you don't need 100 shares. It's like options. It's similar to options. Only thing that's similar, or the real thing that's similar, is that with options, you have this thing called open interest. With crypto, you have this thing called open ledger. That's what's similar. But no, you don't need 100 shares. I don't have a minimum. I can do 10 shares. I can do 15. You saw me do a 500 piece or 200 piece, right? It's all, you're paying based on, it's not an option where you're paying a derivative of that particular asset. You're actually trading the asset itself and not the contract on the asset. So that's the difference between options and crypto trading. So, but then you could be able to find assets that you can afford, right? I can find some penny crypto and I can trade that if I want. I don't have to trade the $500 crypto. You see what I'm saying? So hopefully that makes sense to you. All right. I got up early in the morning, if I didn't learn about Coinbase crypto, absolutely more than worth it. I think you have a better understanding of the depth chart. Yeah, I'm learning to trade effectively. I appreciate you. Worth my time, learning more and more, little by little. Absolutely be interested to listen to. Signed up. All signed up. Okay, Mr. Brown, we'll see you there. We'll see you there. Thank you. I'm trying to give you my money. Couldn't get to the BBC yesterday. Okay, absolutely. Got you. All right, fantastic. All right, beautiful people, man. Hopefully you'll be joining us back again because getting this piece is one. All right, this is one piece is to get some of the technical stuff, the tactical stuff. Well, really what's most important, as I said to you guys, as we build wealth, we build business while we build ourselves. So hopefully you'll come back at 7:45, which is about an hour and 30 minutes from now, and you'll be ready to build yourself. That's what we do through our reading, right? The more we learn, the more we earn, right? We're reading to feed ourselves, right? We're investing in ourselves. So then later, what's in us, the wealth that's in us can come out in the form of money, 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 money. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I want you guys to remember this, that it takes a village. It starts with us. Let's build as we climb together. We all we got, beautiful people. Matter of fact, we all we need. And thank God, that's more than enough. Until next episode, you know what time it is. Mr. DJ, hit the music.
The new Black Wall Street. Thanks you for joining the show. We gave a lot of great tips, but it's time to go. Take the knowledge we shared, hope you use it and grow. We will see you all there at the next episode of The New Black Wall Street. The New Black Wall Street.